Hello and welcome to a video demo of Advisorbot program. Advisorbot is a command line program which will analyze cryptocurrency exchange data to help with trading. The program interacts with the user with a certain set of predefined commands. When a user first opens the program, they are greeted with a welcome message. Let's start by the help command. When we type help, we see a list of commands and a short description for each command. If we type help with a certain command, we'll see a detailed explanation of the command. Let's say another example. If a user types any other input except the predefined commands, there will be shown an error message. For example, we can type test, it won't work, or we type help and test, or we just type some garbage, it will just show error message that the command entered is invalid. So the next command we can see is minimum. We see the help for how to calculate minimum. We can use the command like this, minimum, and for ask. So it shows the minimum as for the current timestamp for Bitcoin to USDT. You can also do a maximum. And this time is 2 bit, and it shows the maximum bit for the current timestamp. The next command we can see is the average command. Let's see help for the average command. So we can type average bit for one timestamp. It shows the average for bit price for one timestamp. And for this command, if we enter more than a timestamp that are available, for example 2, it will show a warning that the timestamp calculated is just for 1, because currently the available timestamp is just 1. So we can step into the next time frame and we can enter the command again, and it will give us an average of the current one, the 2 timestamps. And the next command we have is time. It just shows the current time we are in. And if we step and type time again, it will show the current time we're in. So the next command we can see is predict. It's a detailed help for predict. Okay, so we can use predict like predict minimum price of Bitcoin to USDT. Will predict the minimum ask for the next time step, and we can see how close it got by going to the next time step first. Then let's calculate the average of let me just see the help. Okay, the average ask for the current time step is 9,564 and 74 cents. And let's see the minimum for the current time. Order type, I messed up the order type. Okay, the minimum asks is this. So we got close. The prediction was lower than the average, the actual average, but a bit higher than the minimum. So the prediction was close. So the last command we can see is the advice command, which I implemented. So if we see the help for the advice command, it will give us a recommendation for sell, buy, or hold for the current time step based on the comparison from the previous time steps. So the command just works like this, and it will give us an advice. And if we see an advice for the next time step, it's the same. Let us step few times. Let's see the advice now. Now the advice changed because it calculated the average for the previous time steps and compared it to the average to the current time step and gave us an advice for the exchange. Thank you very much for your time. This is the end of the video.